Hi guys, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel. Today I prepared for you super easy but beautiful Paw Patrol birthday party setup. My son just turned 4 a few days ago and he absolutely loves Paw Patrol. So when I made this party for him, you should see the biggest smile on his face when he walked into the room. So today I really want to show you the tutorial how I made this. It took me 2 hours to create this setup. It was super easy, but it made such a big impact. We're going to start by creating large balloon garland, and in this video I will share with you all the tricks and tips how I make it super quick and simple. You'll definitely need this balloon pump to make your job easier. If you have many parties at home and you want to do more balloon parties for your kids, please get it. It will save you so much time and effort. I will also share with you how I decorate the table and Paw Patrol cake, which was super fun and it took me 10 minutes to decorate. So let's get started this video with blowing our balloons. For the Paw Patrol birthday party, I choose to go with red, navy blue, yellow and baby blue balloon colors. Right here I have balloon sizes 5 inches, 12 inches and the large one is 24 inches. I purchased all of them from Party City. Let's blow 2 balloons at the same time and tie them together. It's the easiest and the quickest way to blow your balloons. I usually like to blow my balloons and assemble the garland 2 days before the birthday party when my kids are sleeping. And then I set up my table the night before. It's less stressful for me and makes a nice surprise when your child wakes up in the morning and see his birthday party setup ready. Continue blowing your balloons till you have enough to make your garland. In my balloon garland, I used approximately 100 balloons, 16 large ones, 65 medium and 20 small ones. Now we're going to attach them to the string. I have here a regular long string that you can get from a dollar store in a gift section. Simply take your 2 connected balloons and wrap the string around them. Try to wrap them relatively close to each other to hide empty spaces. Here is my garland. It looks very large, and what I usually like to do is to attach smaller balloon first and a little bit of large ones, but then at the end when I hang it on the wall, I will add some large balloons in the spots where it's needed. On this wall I have 2 hooks that we usually hang our art or wreath here, so I'll use them to hang my garland. If you don't have hooks, you can always use duct tape and attach it to the window. It will hold your garland nicely. Don't use duct tape on the wall. There is a high chance that duct tape will remove the paint. So here is how our balloon garland looks like when it's attached to the wall. It already looks beautiful and full, but there are still some spots that needs a touch of volume. For example, this red balloon, I would add it to that corner. Okay? In this Paw Patrol birthday setup, I like to add large balloons on the side. It gives a colorful and full balloon statement. I simply use the string and connect each balloons to the garland. I love to decorate with large balloons. They make balloon garland look fuller and more expensive. I wanted to make our balloon garland a little bit more fun. So I went to the Party City and I got these tissue fans. They're absolutely gorgeous. The color matches perfectly Paw Patrol theme party. Look at this royal blue. How gorgeous is that? I also have a red one and yellow inside. You can definitely purchase them at the dollar store, but when you choose one, go with the bigger size. The bigger the size, the more pressure you get with your balloons. When you attach your paper fans, look for empty spots in the garland. You can attach them with the string or use double-sided tape to connect them to your balloons. Our balloon garland is done. What do you guys think about these tissue fans? Don't you think they make the whole balloons more beautiful and more fun? And now I'm gonna show you how I decorate the table for my son's birthday. Actually, this is the regular console table that we use daily in our home. What I like more about it, it's small and it doesn't need a lot of decorations to pull the whole Paw Patrol party together. Check this happy birthday no helium needed balloon that you can purchase at Party City. It costs $14.99 and I thought it was such a good value for the size. The number 4 is from Dollar Tree and it is still for the price. I got this cute Paw Patrol garland to decorate my table. Let's use tape to stick the ribbon at the back of the table. It is always nice to add flowers to any theme party decor. Just few stems can go a long way. I try to use flowers that match Paw Patrol theme colors, but I know that sometimes can be difficult to find a perfect match, especially when it comes to navy blue. What you can do is to get the red and yellow colors first and then tie them with navy blue ribbon. These glittery letters are from Party City as well. They cost $5.99 each. I use them every year for my son's birthday. I love adding a little chair on the side for birthday pictures. My son tends to stay still in photos for a very short time if I have this chair there, otherwise good luck catching him. Look at this adorable firefighter marshal's hat, such a nice touch on the side of the table. It probably won't stay there for a very long time. There is one more thing that you can do to make this table a bit more fun, is to add some Paw Patrol toys to the table. My kids didn't want to share their Paw Patrol toys for this video. I was able to smuggle just a few here. Our Paw Patrol theme party is done, looks very bright, colorful and fun. There's one more thing that is left, is to decorate the cake. For the cake decoration, I'll be using a large wood board. I'll place my cake on the side and not in the middle. This is the regular large-size carrot cake that I purchased from Whole Foods. You'll also need Kit Kat, a large bag of M&M to decorate your cake. I'm going to slice a piece of cake and put it on the side. We will use the slice to make a small hill in a bit. My next step is to decorate our cake with Kit Kat by simply sticking it to the sides of the cake. The Kit Kat chocolate sticks pretty easily because my cake is covered with cream frosting. They won't stick as nice if you only have a cake layers on the side. You'll definitely need a cake with frosting for this cake to work. I made a small hill out of piece of cake. I forgot to record how I started, but it's very simple process and you can figure out by yourself. Then we'll need to take a ribbon. Look for ribbons that match M&M colors. This ribbon provides better support for Kit Kat chocolates and makes the cake look tidy and fun. We're going to tie a bow in front and trim the ends. Let's add those M&Ms to the cake. I'm going to place some at the top of the cake and on our little hill. Like M&Ms are falling down. They stick pretty easily into the cake, but you might need a little frosting for a better hold. Our cake already looks beautiful, but I'm going to add few more decorations to the cake to make it Paw Patrol kid friendly. I choose to add a small bright yellow excavator on top. We can add a few M&Ms inside the bucket. It's kinda digging our M&Ms from the ground. Don't forget about the candles and a few small Paw Patrol decorations to finish our birthday cake. Thank you so much for joining me today, and now it's your turn to create the most memorable birthday party for your child. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. I'm planning to make more birthday party decorations like this in the future. Thank you again and have a wonderful day. Bye!